Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn one question from page number 76, example 1, third question. Okay. See, in this question, what is given? 2 by 3 plus 5a equal to 4. Okay. See, this question is very easy. If you understand the concept, you can learn it very easy. Okay. I am going to teach you the three methods. Which method is easy for you? You can solve by that method. Okay. Three methods are there. Which method is easy? You can do in by that method. See, first method. What is given? 2 by 3 plus 5a equal to 4. That means 2 by 3 plus 5a equal to 4. Okay. Just take an LCM. See, here the LCM is 1 because here now number is there. Therefore, which means here the number is 1. If you take LCM 3, 1, the LCM is 3. Okay. Just cross multiply it. 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 5, 15. Here it is A equal to 4. Okay. Now you see that it is 2 plus 15A by 3. Here it is in divide. If this number go in equal to this side, it will become multiplication. Therefore, the next line is 2 plus 15A equal to 4 into 3. Okay. Here it is in divide. If this number go in equal to this side, it will become multiplication. That is 2 plus 15A equal to 4 3s are 12. Okay. Then 15A equal to this 2. Here it is in plus. If this 2 come in equal to this side, it will become minus. That is minus 2. That is equal to 12 minus 2, 10. Okay. We need to find the value of A. Therefore, here it is in multiplication. That means here it is in 15 into A, 15A. Okay. We need to find the value of A. Therefore, if we take A, it will become 10. This here it is in multiplication. Therefore, it will become in equal to this side, it will become divide. Okay. Therefore, by 15. That means 10 upon 15. We can cancel it. In 5 table, 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Therefore, the answer is A equal to 2 upon 3. The answer is A equal to 2 upon 3. Okay. This is the first method. Then see second method. In second method, first you should multiply by using this 3. Multiply each and every term by 3. Okay. The question is 2 by 3 plus 5a equal to 4. Multiply every term. That means each term by 3. Multiply each term by 3. First term is 2 by 3. Therefore, 3 into 2 by 3 plus this 3. Multiply each and every term into 3. Therefore, 3 into this 5a equal to 4 into 3. Okay. Multiply each term by 3. Here the denominator is 3. Therefore, we are multiplying each and every term by 3. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Because here it is in multiplication. Therefore, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. The remaining term is 1 into 2, it is 2 plus 5 3s are 15. Here it is A equal to 4 3s are 12. Okay. Then 15A equal to this 2 come in equal to this side, it will become minus. That is minus 2. Okay. 12 minus 2, it is 10. We need to find the value of A. Therefore, A equal to 10 upon this 15 come in divide. Because here it is in multiplication. By taking A, this number will come in divide. Therefore, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Therefore, A equal to 2 by 3. This is method 2, which is easy for you. You can solve by this method. Okay. See method 3, which is easy for you. You try to solve in that method. Okay. See here what is given. 2 by 3 plus 5a equal to 4. We have learned in the previous class. for is finding the value of the variable, just see the constant numbers. Here it is 2 by 3, but here the sign is plus. Therefore, we need to minus 1 2 by 3 on both the sides. Therefore, this value will become 2 by 3 plus 5a minus this 2 by 3 equal to 4 minus 2 by 3. Okay, see the constant, and if the constant is in plus, put minus that constant on both sides. If suppose the constant term is in minus, put plus constant terms. Okay, therefore this term and this term get cancelled. The remaining number is 5a equal to, here see the LCM is here 1 comma 3, therefore the LCM is 3. Cross multiply it, 3 into 4 12 minus 1 into 2 2. Okay, therefore the term will become 12 minus 2, it is 10 by 3. Okay, here it is 5a. We need to find the value of a, therefore a equal to 10 by 3. Here the number is in multiplication. In equal to side it will come in division, that is here it will come into 5. This 5 come in divide, here already 1 3 is there, so 3 into 5, that is a equal to 10 by 5 3s are 15. Okay, then see here we can cancel it. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, therefore a equal to 2 by 3. Okay, for this question there are totally 3 methods are there, which is easy for you. Try to solve by that method. Okay.